Welcome all of you. So in this video you are going to learn about high pass filters. So these are high pass filters. So initially what I will going to do, so here I will going to set as an input. So input as a function generator, input 1 VV. Peak to peak is a 1 VV I will going to set, and a frequency. So you may be set about that 1.5 kilohertz. Yes, see that once I will going to show you. So function generated this output. Okay, the point is a sine waveform. Okay, then it is connected to that one CRO. So here we have see that one. My voltage is a 1.02 voltage, VPP is a 1.02, frequency is a 1.03. Okay, I will going to raise the frequency 1.5. I will going to set. Okay, 1 point. Yes, 52. So I have set about that 1.50 kilohertz. So you have look about the frequencies of 1.50 kilohertz, and the VPP is a 1.002 volt. It is showing. Okay, how to vary? This is a frequency now. It is used to set that one frequency 1.5 kilohertz. So 1.5 kilohertz, and this is a level. Level means it is a VPP is a 1 voltage, maybe increase into 2 voltage. If you want, you can rise. So I have set about that one in. The next one I will going to make the circuit diagram as per that one. I got to make it and connect it into that function generators. So we're going to see. Okay, so we're going to see. So what we are going to do? Okay, we're going to connect it the function generator as an input 1 voltage, and the frequency is already set as a 1.5 kilohertz. Okay, fixed 1 voltage peak voltage we are going to give. Okay, that one we are going to give output voltage through that one we are going to see in CRO. VPP will going to measure, okay, with respect to variation of the frequency. VPP will going to measure with respect to frequency. Okay, so we are going to see about the output. Output we will going to see about that in CRO we will going to see. Okay, just I will going to same 1.5 kilohertz only I have set it on that one. I have not changed it. And what is the output voltage? Here it will going to measure it. So it is showing as in 960 millivoltage is showing. So 1.5. So you will going to take the tabulations. So tabulations, what is the frequency? So 1.5. So frequency 1.5 frequency, then output voltage VPP. VPP will going to draw. So what is the voltage? 960 millivoltage. 960 millivoltage. It is showing on that one. Okay, next I will going to vary the frequency. So 1.5 instead of that one I will going to vary. So vary into that one. So I will going to vary. So 2.5 I will going to set. Okay, maximum. Okay, so here is a 2k maximum. So 1.9 I have set about 1.9. Okay, so 1.94. So what is the voltage? So you can write 1.94 you are going to set, and then what is the voltage? 1.10. The output voltage peak to peak is a 1.10. So write it on the tabulation 1.10. Okay, volt. So now I have increasing the frequency, output voltage also increase. So peak to peak is increase. Next I want to change into the 2. Okay, now it is almost 2k. Increase into that one. I want to increase the 4k. So reduce this one and then rise into 20k. See. So I will going to set into the 4k. So 4k I have set about that one. So you have see that one here. So 4k. So it will going to display in here also 4k, because I am going to give as an 4k as an input. And what is the voltage? 1.40. So 1.40. So 4k, and what is that one? Okay, one. This is a k 1.40 volt. Okay, then I will going to increase into 6k. 6k. So I will going to increase. So rise. So 6K, okay. So 6 point, okay, 1 kilohertz, okay, no problem. Then what is the output voltage? So 1.50, 1.50. So see that one almost readjust. Okay, here is a 6.1. Okay, one. Okay, what is that one here? 1.50. Okay, 50. So 1.1, 1.4, 1.5. It is a keep on increasing. Okay. The next one I will going to rise into that one. Okay, 8K I will going to give. So almost maintain as a constant values rise. So 8K I will going to rise. Okay, 8K. So what is that one? 1.53. So showing as in 1.5354. It is a variation between the 53 and 54. So okay, we will going to write it 1.53 volt. Okay, then I will going to increase into the 10K. So 10K I have raised 10K. So what is that one? 1.56, 5556. It is a variation between the 1.55 and 56. So I will going to press the auto. Okay, you will going to look it. Okay, 1.53 to 55. It is a variations. Okay, so 1.5354. It's now it is showing 1.54. Okay, 1.54. See that one almost maintenance and constant. Then we'll go back on that one. Okay, I would like to go below for that below 1 kilohertz. I will going to go for that below 1 kilohertz. Okay, I mean I want to go for that 900 hertz. 900 hertz. So click here 900 hertz means so 2K, then 2K, then reduce. Okay, to 16, sorry, 890. Okay, okay, so 900 and okay, okay, 905. So what about the waveform? So press the auto. Okay, what is that one? 905 hertz I will going to give, and millivoltage it is showing 672. It is variation 600 and 72. Okay, 672 millivoltage. 672 millivolt. Okay, and further I will going to reduce. Okay, 900 into that one. 800 I want to reduce 800 hertz. Okay, 800 hertz. What about that one here? Okay, 600 and 600. So once again I will going to press the auto, then you will going to see clear waveform. Yes, what is that one? 600 millivoltage. 600. It is a variation 596 to 6. Okay, 600 millivolt. 600 millivolt. Okay, further I will going to write and reduce into that one. 600 I want to go 600. Okay, 606. Okay, so see here, so it is showing under the 603 hertz. What is the VPP? 800 and sorry 400 and 480 490. Then I will going to press again auto. Okay, 604 hertz. What is the VPP? 484 millivolt. So 484 millivolt, 604. Okay, 604 hertz. So like if you see the frequency, if the frequency is rise, the voltage is rise. Frequency is rise, voltage is rise. So this is about the high pass filters. Okay. say for example I will going to source the one demo, so I will going to keep it as an, so reduce this knob, and then I will going to press into the 20k. Okay, 20k I have pressed it. So now it is a value is a minimum 1.3 kilohertz. Okay, I want to press the auto. So what is the value showing? Okay, so 1.3 it's kilohertz. Okay, 872. Now I will going to rise about the frequency. Okay, I will going to rise here the frequency, even you will going to see about that here also. So frequency you will going to watch it, and with respect to VPP, so I have increased the frequency 1.60. the output voltage is 990, okay, near to the 1 volt. So now I have raised 2 kilohertz, the output voltage is 1.1. so next 3.34, the output voltage is 1.35 output voltage VPP is 1.35. so the frequency is 4.98, the output voltage is 1.46. press the auto. Yes, then I will go to rise again, so 7 kilohertz. Okay, then output VPP is 1.5. 10 kilohertz 1.52. 13 kilohertz 14 kilohertz 1.57. Okay, so 19.32 kilohertz. Then what is our PPP? 1.55. See that one frequencies keep on rise it. So maximum frequency I have applied. Okay, see 1.56 only it is showing. Okay, so I will going to reduce, and then I will going to increase further 200 kilohertz. I will going to give for that one. What is the value? You will going to watch it. So press the auto. So what is that one I have applied? 50 kilohertz 1.55 only. 50 kilohertz 1.55 only. So if I have reduced, so the same voltage, see 20 kilohertz 1.55, 20 kilohertz 1.55. Increase the frequency 40, 50. Okay, and 75, the output voltage is 1.55. okay, so frequencies increase, then output voltage. Okay, so after the range it is a saturated, I mean maintained as a constant. So if you have see the tabulations, the frequency is maintained as a constant. This is one of the oldest record. So if I have increase the frequency, it is maintained as a constant. What about hours? 1.5, it is maintained as a constant. Hours is a 1.5 is maintained as a constant one. So here it is a previous one, so it is maintained as a constant. So okay, so this is about the high pass filter. High pass filters means this is main circuit diagram. This circuit diagram we have see that one. So function generated to the capacitor. It is connected to the pin number 3. From pin number 3 to resistance. These two is interchange means low pass filters. If it is interchange means that is called high pass filters. The connection diagram is very simple. You have see that one. Okay, this is a function generator plus terminal connected to the capacitor. Plus terminal is connected to the capacitor through the capacitor pin number 3 is connected. Connected. Okay, from that one capacitance is connected from the pin number 3. Okay, this is a pin number 3 to the one resistance connected to the ground. Okay, the next one, second pin, one of the resistance, second pin to the ground, and the second pin to the sixth pin. Okay, and plus VCC minus VCC ground. As usual, we are going to given the power supply connections. So that's all about that high pass filter. Thank you.